Stay tuned to see how I created these melanin resin trays. Once I combined my base resin mixture, I added these two different colored mica powders to a smaller cup just to create this really pretty gold metallic looking mixture. I'm going to use that in the very bottom of the mold so that I will create kind of like a gradient, and so that it doesn't cover up the stickers that I'm going to add to this tray. I'm also using some flaky glitters. One is a chunkier glitter and one is a finer glitter. I'm going to add this to the main resin mixture, and that'll be the majority of what this tray will consist of. You can add as much or as little of the different glitters that you want. Just be aware that it can get a little crowded when you add the chunkier glitters, so just be careful with how much or how little you add. Once you get those mixtures together, set them aside, and this is the mold that I'll be using today. It's this really cute little oval mold. I've played around with it before creating this video, and I've created some really cute ones, and I'm trying to debate on whether I want to film those as well. But these are the stickers that I'll be using today. One of them says it must be the melanin, as you know. And I'm going to add in these stickers right in the middle so that when the tray comes out, they'll be on the very bottom portion of the tray. Now, when I've added stickers to my resin molds before, sometimes they will lift. So I want to try to add a little bit of resin to the mold first before I added my stickers this time, because previously I've just added the stickers directly onto the mold and they have still lifted. So I'm trying something a little bit different this time. So I'm just arranging my stickers now, making sure I get them in the place that I want. You also want to be aware that sometimes the stickers will drift, so you'll just have to kind of account for that also. Once you finish arranging your stickers, you'll go ahead and finish adding in the rest of your resin. Now that the stickers are arranged, I'm just kind of playing around with them, and this is where I add in the colored resin. And you see I'm just adding it right to the bottom of the mold so that it'll kind of give that gradient look once I pour in the rest of the clear mold or clear resin. And see how pretty that is though? The chunky glitters really make a big difference. And like I said, continue to play around with the placement because they will move once you add the rest of the resin. Then I use my lighter to pop any air bubbles. And here is the finished, it must be the melanin resin tray. Now you can use these trays for pretty much anything. They can be jewelry trays, trays to hold your keys, pretty much whatever you want to use them for. I really like how this one came out. Like I said, the stickers did still kind of move a little bit, but I'm not mad at the placement of how they ended. I also created this melanin tray with the bubble gum girls, but I did not film this, but the process to create it was the exact same as the It Must Be the Melanin tray. I love how both of these came out. Let me know if you would like to see these on my Etsy shop, and if there's any other ones you would like me to create. Thank you so much for joining me for another video this week. I had so much fun creating these resin trays, and I will be adding some to my Etsy shop. Let me know if there's any specific color combinations that you want me to try out, or if there's any other stickers you want me to get to add to the trays. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell for notifications, and share this video with a friend. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.